I am at the international airport in Kabul, Afghanistan now. An earthquake shook Afghanistan on June 22. It is the most devastating quake the country has experienced in the past 20 years. Right after the earthquake, the Chinese government decided to provide 50 million RMB yuan worth of emergency humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan.
The first batch of earthquake relief supplies donated by the Chinese government arrived at the airport on Monday night and was handed over to the Afghan side. Chinese ambassador to Afghanistan Wang Yu and Ghulam Ghazi Nasiri, acting Minister of State for Disaster Management and Humanitarian Affairs of Afghanistan's Taliban-led caretaker government, attended the handover ceremony at the airport.
中国将在力所能及的范围内给阿富汗提供援助。今天第一批的120个帐篷、320个着电床和6000多张毯子运到了。在明天、后天、大后天连续3天，还将有6架中国的运输机继续运来救灾物资。
On June 22nd, a strong earthquake in southeastern Afghanistan killed more than 1,000 people and injured nearly 2,000 others, while destroying tens of thousands of houses.